Welcome, in front of me is an OPPO A77 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this phone through your settings. To get started, I'm gonna open up settings and here we're just gonna navigate all the way down to additional settings. Then again we're gonna scroll down to the backup and reset. Select reset phone and then erase all data. Gives you a very quick message. This will clear all data. You're just going to press erase all data. Then it gives us another message. Are you sure you want to continue? This will erase all data and cannot be undone. Now, what it means by all data is basically photos, music, videos, documents, applications, all that stuff will be removed. So if you have anything on your phone that you'd like to preserve, make a copy of it to some other device before you progress any further. But assuming you have already made a copy or you just simply don't want to, you can now select erase data. This will now begin factory resetting our device, and this process will take about, I don't know, 2 minutes maybe or so. And once it's finished, we'll be then presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.